If you have ever tasted coconut milk, you will understand why it is so popular. Coconut milk is used in dishes, sauces, and desserts and is made from the flesh of a matured coconut. It does not only taste and smell great but is a nutritional powerhouse rich in wonderful health benefits. Gone are the days when the only time you would reach for the coconut milk is when you were making piña coladas. It has taken the world by storm and is now used as a non-dairy milk replacement and sweetener in teas and coffees. What is all the fuss about? Just have a look at the nutritional value of coconut milk. The nutritional value of coconut milk. 1. Coconut milk is a laxative and aids in digestion. 2. It contains vast amounts of antioxidants which assists the body to fight against things like low bone density, aging, poor vision, and the dreaded sagging of your skin. 3. It is widely used in hair care and skincare products because not only is it wonderful for maintaining healthy hair and skin, but it is also an excellent moisturizer that locks moisture into the skin and hair. 4. The lauric acid found in it is also beneficial to your heart as it helps to unclog arteries. 5. The same lauric acid has antibacterial, anti-fungal, and antiviral properties and helps your body fight infections. 6. Coconut milk will help you lose weight despite the fact that it contains saturated fats. The fats found in it are burned and stored as energy in the body instead of fat. 7. It is a rich source of minerals, potassium, and a wide range of vitamins. 8. This milk has organic iodine and can prevent an enlarged non-toxic thyroid. 9. Drinking it will not only relieve the pain of a stomach ulcer but also bring relief to a sore throat. 10. To build muscle, it is also recommended that you use coconut milk in your food. It can be used in dishes and baked products as a lactose-free milk substitute and is often used in tropical, Thai, and Caribbean cuisine. Coconut milk is made by combining the flesh of the coconut with coconut juice which is then squeezed out to produce it. You can even make this milk at home without having to use any special tools. With it so readily available, you can start adding a little bit of this highly nutritious milk to your everyday life by using it in dishes like curries to give it a bit of a tropical taste or even in smoothies. You will find the most mouthwatering recipes everywhere on the internet which will give you the opportunity of adding this tasty ingredient to your dishes and experiencing the nutritional and health benefits of coconut milk firsthand. Be careful though, because like with everything else in life, you need to take this milk in moderation to truly benefit from it. And most importantly, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, DocOnline, to be updated on how to be naturally healthy and not consume medications.